Real-life superheroes. Ever wondered if superpowers are just fantasy? Think again. While we might not be swinging from buildings like Spider-Man or conjuring storms like Thor, scientists are uncovering remarkable abilities within us mere mortals. These powers aren't just the stuff of comic books. Take the Sherpa people of the Himalayas, for instance. Through generations of adaptation, their genes have evolved to grant them unparalleled strength and endurance at high altitudes. But it's not all in our DNA. Enter mental athletes, individuals who push the limits of memory and cognition. They claim that anyone can train their mind to rival a steel trap. Then there's the tale of Honnold, the climber dubbed the real-life Spider-Man. Scaling sheer rock faces without ropes, he's a testament to the power of conquering fear through conditioning. As scientists delve deeper into these extraordinary abilities, they're discovering that while genetics play a role, much of our potential remains untapped. Join us as we uncover the hidden superheroes walking among us. Super fearless Honnold. For most, the mere sight of Honnold clinging to a precipice with just his fingertips is enough to send shivers down the spine. But not for Honnold himself. In a groundbreaking study in 2016, scientists conducted functional MRI scans on the renowned climber's brain. What they discovered was astonishing. While most people's amygdala, the brain region associated with fear, light up like a Christmas tree when exposed to graphic images, Honnold's remained eerily quiet. Structurally, his brain appears entirely normal. Honnold himself has refuted claims of fearlessness. Instead, neuroscientist Jane Joseph, who analyzed his brain activity, suggests that he may have conditioned himself to suppress certain responses by meticulously planning every move. This isn't just a trait reserved for daredevils like Honnold. Psychologists employ similar conditioning techniques to help individuals conquer their fears. And as neuroscience unravels the mechanisms behind fear memories, it offers hope that they can be unraveled and overcome. Super resilience. Sherpas. Humans are in a state of continual evolution, asserts Tatum Simonson, a researcher delving into the genetics and physiology of high-altitude adaptation at the University of California, San Diego. And in the Sherpa people of Nepal, we find a prime example of evolution crafting superhuman abilities. For over 6 millennia, this ethnic group has thrived in environments averaging 14,000 feet above sea level, where oxygen levels plummet by about 40%. There's been ample time for natural selection to refine the optimal responses to low oxygen conditions, Simonson explains. Ordinarily, as oxygen becomes scarce, the human body compensates by producing more oxygen-carrying red blood cells. However, this can result in thickened blood, leading to altitude sickness or worse. Yet, Sherpas have evolved several genetic mutations, enabling them to maintain lower levels of red blood cells, while their cellular mitochondria utilize oxygen more efficiently. Simonson's research extends to Tibetans, who exhibit similar prowess even at lower altitudes. This unique advantage transcends the peaks, offering potential insights into aiding individuals with chronic low blood oxygen levels due to respiratory or cardiovascular conditions. Super swimmers, Bajau sea nomads. There's an undeniable allure to superheroes soaring through the skies like Superman or delving into the depths of the ocean like Aquaman. They traverse realms beyond our reach. For free divers, the ocean's depths beckon without the encumbrance of scuba gear. Among them, the Bajau people hailing from the Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia stand out, capable of submerging for an astonishing 13 minutes at depths reaching 230 feet. Much like the Sherpas, scientists assert that the Bajau possess a genetic edge, enhancing their ability to utilize oxygen more efficiently. However, faced with a more immediate challenge of oxygen deprivation, the Bajau have evolved a rapid adaptation. Through natural selection, their bodies have favored the development of larger spleens, reservoirs for oxygenated red blood cells. During dives, these enlarged spleens contract, releasing a surge of oxygenated blood into their circulatory system. Super agility, Samurai Isao Machii. In the realms of fiction, creatures like vampires and werewolves possess super agility, astounding balance, coordination, and reflexes. But in reality, a blend of genetics and training can grant individuals truly superhuman abilities. Consider the prowess of Isao Machii, a master swordsman whose skill borders on the fantastical. Fire a bullet at him and he'll effortlessly slice it in half with a swing of his sword, a feat captured in awe-inspiring videos. Then there's the legendary gunslinger Bob Munden, whose lightning-fast draw and accuracy are the stuff of legend. In tests, he could draw and fire his gun in less than a tenth of a second, a speed surpassing the reaction time of the average human brain. Yet the mysteries of such extraordinary feats extend beyond mere physicality. Scientists are still unraveling the intricacies of the central nervous system, seeking to understand how it orchestrates these complex movements with seemingly effortless precision, often operating unconsciously. Supermemory, mental athletes. Picture effortlessly memorizing the sequence of a deck of cards within 20 seconds, or recalling the names and faces of hundreds of strangers in mere minutes. For the mental athletes competing in the annual USA Memory Championship, such extraordinary feats are routine. But here's the kicker. There's nothing inherently exceptional about these memory champions, asserts Anthony Dottino, the event's founder. Through dedicated practice, they've honed their abilities. Anthony, alongside his son Michael, spearheads memory training programs, adamant that memory improvement is accessible to all, regardless of age. To substantiate this claim, Michael Dottino collaborates with neuroscientists, delving into how memory training influences brain function. Early findings indicate that memory techniques forge neural networks, linking new memories to existing ones. Moreover, a study published in the journal Neuron unveils that even the average person can experience significant memory enhancements with just 6 weeks of training. And remember, folks, while you may not be able to leap tall buildings in a single bound or bend steel with your bare hands, the superpowers discussed in this video are just a training session away. So, if you want to unlock your inner superhero and impress your friends at the next gathering, hit that like button and subscribe to the Ambient-sanctuary channel for more fascinating insights into the extraordinary capabilities hiding within us all. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one chopping bullets in mid-air or memorizing a deck of cards in record time. Until then, keep reaching for the stars and embracing the superhuman potential within you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.